Hey now, let's do this, people. Baked groovy beans with tons of meat upon meat upon meat. And this is yet another episode of Pappy's Dirty Kitchen. Yeah, all right, yeah, definitely. Let's do this, people. All right, in this crock pot, it's a big crock pot. I don't know if it's 8 quart or 6 quart or how many quarts it is. Quart. But, anywho's, I've got 2 pounds of Great Northern white beans in here that I soaked overnight. And on here, I've got 12 ounces of bacon, diced up or whatever, sliced and diced. And then I have 12 ounces of salt pork. Lovely. Look at that loveliness. That's 1.5 pounds of love right there. Alright. So we got that in there. Alright, yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. And then we got a pretty big Vidalia onion. Yeah. Oh, this is going to be perfectly glee. Alright. So we got that in there. Vidalia onion chop. Alright, now we're going to add some super fine Pierce's Country Store mustard. Established in 1972. Yeah, I know the founder and establisher. He's pretty cool. Yeah. Alright, does this have a... oh yeah, you lift it up right there. There we go. Yay. Alright, so we want about 2 tablespoons. Or so of mustard, dry mustard. Alright, now we're going to add a 1/2 jar of Grandma's molasses. Joink. That's not quite a 1/2 jar. Uh-oh, I think the founder of Pierce's Country Store is in here. Is he?
He is.
Oh. Well, I'm doing my carried down tradition of Swan Island baked beans.
Oh.
You're familiar with that reference, aren't you?
Yeah.
As far as your recipe you had. All right, let's. So we got the molasses in there. Now, there we go. Now she opens. Now I'm adding some Maniac Maple Farm right up the road. Wicked tasty. Look at the amber on that. Isn't that groovy how dark that is? It's so good. And I wish I could afford more because I use it a lot and stuff. And but anyways, we're gonna add about a 1/2 cup of groovy, expensive, awesome, the best I've ever had. Look at how nice and not watery that is and everything. His boiling process is groovy, eh? All right, we got that in there. And now what are we adding? Oh, some brown sugar. Add some brown sugar to that. Get in there. We want about a 3/4 cup or so, 1/2 cup. Come on, get out of it. There we go. There we go. Alrighty then. And just to make them a little smoky, we're gonna add some liquid smoke. Make them nice and smoky. Yeah. Watch, they'll be too smoky. But anywho's. Alright, now we're gonna add some water to fill it up to the close to the brim. But I'm gonna mix that around a little bit before I add the water. And you may, so you want to put this on low overnight or whatever, at least 10 hours. And you may have to check it and add some more water, depending on how soaked your beans are and everything. But if it all goes to plan, it should be fine. Got it mixed up. I think my crock pot's bigger, Dad, a little bit. It seems like it, or these swelled up wicked. The beans.
Yeah.
All right. Will this reach over there? I don't know why this has been so hard to pull out, like it's stuck on something, man. It won't reach over there. Alright. Anyway, technical difficulties. Alright, we'll just turn on the water and bring it over. It's going to be heavy, but we can handle it. Alright. Get that nice and full. Right about there. That's perfect. But yeah. Put this on low, let that puppy go for 10 hours at least, and get some hot dogs bubbing. It's on. All right, this has been another episode of Pappy's Dirty Kitchen. Yeah! Peace, people. Merry Christmas.